A young man asked his grandfather, "Grandpa, how did you live in the past without technology, without computers, without drones, without bitcoins, without internet connection, without TVs, without air conditioners, without cars, without mobile phones?" Grandpa answered, "Just as your generation lives today. No prayers, no compassion, no respect, no GMRC, no real education, poor personality. There is no human kindness. There is no shame. There is no modesty. There is no honesty. We, the people born between the years 1930 to 1980, were the blessed ones. Our lives are a living proof. While playing and riding a bike, we have never worn a helmet. After school, we did our homework ourselves, and we always played in meadows until sunset. We played with real friends, not virtual friends. If we were thirsty, we would drink from the fountain, from the waterfalls. Faucet water, not mineral water. We never worried and get sick even as we shared the same cup or plate with our friends. We never gained weight by eating bread and pasta every day. Nothing happened to our feet despite walking barefoot. We never used food supplements to stay healthy. We used to make our own toys and play with them. Our parents were not rich. They gave us love, not material gifts. We never had a cell phone, DVD, PSP game, console, Xbox, video games, PC, laptop, internet chat, but we had true friends. We visited our friends without being invited and shared and enjoyed the food with their family. Parents lived nearby to take advantage of family time. We may have had black and white photos, but you can find colorful memories in these photos. We are a unique and the most understanding generation because we are the last generation that listened to their parents, and we are also the first ones who were forced to listen to their children. Tilda. We are limited edition. Take advantage of us. Learn from us. We are a treasure destined to disappear soon. Subscribe us for more English practice.